Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome to ST Academy. Today I am going to explain about JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK is known as Java Development Kit. It is responsible for developing Java applications, providing environment and to run Java applications. JRE is known as Java Runtime Environment. It is responsible to develop environment to run Java applications. JVM is known as Java Virtual Machine and it is responsible to run Java applications. So when you will install JDK in your machine, in your system, automatically the JRE and JVM will also installed. So if you see here diagrammatically, I have presented JDK, then below it what JRE, and then inside it what JVM. Now I have explained it in a different way, so the things will be more clear to all of you. So let us understand. Suppose I want to develop Java application in my system. So the thing which I required is JDK to be installed in my system. So the first thing what I will do, I will install the JDK in my system. So when I will install the JDK in my system, so the other two, that is what JRE and JVM, those will also installed in the system. So once I install JDK, there will be what JDK, JRE and JVM. So JDK is to develop the application. It is required to develop the application. JRE, it's provide the environment, and JVM runs the application. So when there is what JDK in the system, I will able to develop the application and I will also able to run the application. Now suppose I install only JRE in my system. So when I install JRE in my system, there will be what JRE, and once I will install the JRE, so JVM will also be there. So if I install JRE, I will only able to run the system. The JRE will provide the environment and JVM will run the application. So if I am going to install JRE, so I will only able to run the application. Okay, now I have explained in another way so that the things will be clear to you. So when I install JDK in the system, I will be able to develop the application and I will be able to run the application. I will be able to develop the Java application. I will be able to run the Java application. And when I take this application to another machine, to another computer, so if I want to run this application here, I want to install JRE. So when I install the JRE, I will be able to run it. Okay, so once I install the JRE, JVM will be there and the application will run. So to develop and run, I need to install JDK, and if I want to only run, I have to install what? JRE. Now if I want to run one of the Java application in Windows operating system computer, which is having the Windows operating system, so I need JVM for Windows. If I want to run the Java application in this second machine, which is having the Linux operating system, so I need what? JVM for Linux. And if I need to run this Java application in another machine, which is having the Mac operating system, so I required what? JVM for Mac. So friends, I hope that you understand by this diagrammatical presentation the things, and in the next video I am going to explain about the difference between the C language and the Java language, why C is known as platform dependent, why Java is known as platform independent. I am going to explain thoroughly that what the James Gosselin and its team did, that it make Java platform independent. So what are the things what they did that it become possible that Java application run on any operating system or on any system configuration, that I am going to explain in my next video. Thanks for watching today's video. So please share, like and subscribe. Bye.